My name is Jeyald Antony Rasaratnam. So I am now living in Castleblayney, County Monaghan, Ireland. After I moved to Ireland, I was interested about the climate actions and climate change and climate programs. So to get more knowledge and more experience, so I joined with Climate Ambassador program recently. So I am really enjoying their tools and their resource. Specifically, I want to mention that they share a lot of resources with us through one of the pen drives. So I am using for my personal usage as well as my work. I studied first business administration in finance management. Then I completed my MBA in UK. When I moved to Ireland, I studied digital marketing MSc. So where I turned to the climate work, recently I studied one of the certificate program in Meath University called Community Work in a Changing Ireland Climate Justice Certificate Program. So that is a course to turn my life and my work to focus more on the climate justice works. So there are a lot of climate ambassador in the network and the program organized, the organization as well. So first I want to mention the networks around all the counties. Second, I mentioned the resources, of course the Excel sheet and the resources and the presentations which I used through my communities doing my information sessions. So third, the knowledge which I received from them through other climate ambassador is also one of the big value addition for me. My background is business management and digital marketing. So after finish the course and coming to work in Changing Ireland Climate Justice course with Meath University, this course was 7-month course with a lot of practical examples and case study. So really I turn about towards the climate actions and climate change. I am working for Monaghan Integrated Development as a climate action officer. So I am working with the communities for the information session, home energy sessions, as well as home gardening and energy literacy educations. So, and course and my experience and jointly now I am making for good value additions for me. Of course, the Climate Ambassador program as well. So making one of the brand for me in my local county. So as I am Climate Ambassador and working for the communities.